technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Narendra Modi has crossed another milestone in his landmark-filled journey as a Jan Sevak. He turns 75 today. Wishes are pouring in for the leader who once was a tea seller and then went on to become the Prime Minister of the world's largest democracy. This is a journey marked with dedication to serve the nation and its people. So on the occasion of his 75th birthday, the sense of seva remains at the heart of the celebrations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will today visit Madhya Pradesh, where he will launch the largest ever health outreach for women and children in the country. The Prime Minister then will also launch two campaigns which are called Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and also the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Ma for, this is going to happen at around 12 o'clock. He will also lay the foundation stone and then launch several other initiatives and address the gathering on the occasion. So as a part of the campaign, which will be organized from today till the 2nd of October, over 1 lakh health camps will be set up in government facilities across the country. The Prime Minister will also launch the Adi Seva Parv for Madhya Pradesh, a series of service-oriented activities in tribal regions. My colleague Pragya is with us. Pragya, the Bharatiya Janata Party is marking the Prime Minister's birthday with the message that for them it is about seva and service. The word seva embodies the Prime Minister's journey. So what else is planned today? What is the kind of messaging that the government is trying to send out today?
Well, lot of activities, and if you look at the nature of these activities, all of them is about societal welfare and well-being. Be it arranging and organizing a blood donation camp, they are going to have a record of the blood donation units, which is going to ultimately be benefiting all those victims who may be admitting in hospitals and may be needing it. It's a welfare process that they are also organizing right now on the birthday of Prime Minister. It's also, Jan Seva work that Prime Minister has always spoken about. Then there are going to be health camps everywhere. At least 75 big cities will have these health care camps in the first phase, and in second phase every mandal needs to have it. So all the senior citizens, all those poor who could not manage to get the test done, who could not manage to go to the hospitals, they will be here. They can come to these health camps and get themselves treated and also diagnosed. So this is also one of the measures that is going to come handy for the people of the society. Thirdly, there will be Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam initiative. At least 75 metropolitan cities will see Namo Park coming up, and huge number of trees will be planted everywhere. So a focus on environment also, which is also a clarion call given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And not just that, there is also main focus on vocal for local. So Swadeshi product, boosting your local economy is on the target and agenda. And every BJP leader has been given a task to ensure that this happens. Apart from that, because there is also Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October, Swachhta Abhiyan is one of the main focus of this Seva Pakhwada. Right. In fact, the cleanliness drives will begin from today onwards, and every cabinet minister is going to participate in this, cleanliness drives in their own constituencies. In fact, they will be praying for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The life and journey of Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be depicted through documentaries and through exhibitions. Because this is also a journey of inspiration where, it also tells you that one person can make a huge difference in the society. And how Prime Minister is dedicating, also using this opportunity of his birthday to ensure that all the people engage in service activities. Seva is at the core of every activity right now. And in fact, Namo app has put on various activities where people can participate and also contribute, their services for the nation.
Absolutely. And Pragya, on a milestone birthday with the messaging of seva, this is how the entire Modi government is reaching out to the people of the country. But let's also tell them how over the years the Prime Minister marked his birthday. This year, the largest ever health outreach for women and children will be launched. There will be the launch of Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar. That's the larger message that's going to go out. Also, there will be the launch of the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Ma. In 2024, the Prime Minister interacted with beneficiaries of PMAYU. It was launched, and also there were projects worth about 3,800 crores that were launched in the state of Odisha. In the year 2023, it announced, they went ahead and announced the PM Vishwakarma Yojana. This is a scheme to enhance the skilling of craftsmen. Then back in the year 2022, there were 8 cheetahs who were released into Madhya Pradesh's Kuno National Park. In 2021, 2.26 crore COVID vaccines were administered on the Prime Minister's birthday. Union Minister Piyush Goyal is also extending his greetings. Let's listen in.
जीवन भर हमें बहुत कुछ मिलता है, पर साथ ही साथ हम देश के लिए क्या करें? ये जो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने 50 साल बेदाग निस्वार्थ जीवन जिया है, देश के लिए, जनता के लिए, राष्ट्र के लिए, उससे हमें प्रेरणा मिलती है कि हम भी देश के लिए कुछ करें। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है 140 करोड़ देशवासियों का प्यार और उनकी शुभकामनाएं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दीर्घायु देंगी, अच्छा स्वास्थ्य देगी, जिससे वो देश की सेवा वर्षों दशकों तक आगे भी करते रहे और उनके दूरदर्शी नेतृत्व में, उनके संवेदनशील सोच से देश आगे बढ़ेगा, एक विकसित भारत बनेगा, नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचेगा और देश के हर नागरिक के लिए एक सुख सुविधा से भरा, बच्चों के लिए अवसरों से भरा हुआ जीवन आगे सभी को मिले। हम सभी प्रार्थना करते हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लंबी आयु के लिए और उनके नेतृत्व में भारत के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
So ministers in the Modi government are undertaking activities of seva like cleanliness drives, and the focus will also be on public service. But listen into how there are other ministers who are talking about the Prime Minister, hailing his dedication towards public service. This is how ministers are greeting the Prime Minister.
I take this opportunity to extend my warmest wishes to our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on his 75th birthday. Over the last 11 years, with his dedication, single-minded pursuit and commitment, he has transformed Bharat, taking our country to heights that very few could have imagined. What sets him apart is his commitment to Antyodaya, ensuring that the poorest of the poor are at the center of every policy, every paradigm, every stroke of change. His governance has truly been inclusive, with Jan Seva at the heart of his work and ethics. No wonder that he is not just our nation's, but the world's most popular leader.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मेरा ध्यान हमेशा रखा, बट हाँ, एक परिवार के सदस्य की तरह जिस तरीके से उन्होंने तब मेरे परिवार का ध्यान रखा जब मेरे पिता अस्पताल में थे। ये वो दौर था जब प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ एक नया और खूबसूरत रिश्ता और एक गहरा रिश्ता हम दोनों का बना। रोज सुबह 8:30 बजे उनका डायरेक्टली मेरे मोबाइल पर फोन आता था। ना सिर्फ मेरे पिता का हालचाल वो जानते थे, बल्कि डॉक्टर्स क्या क्या सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं वो फीडबैक लेकर वो मुझे बताते थे, सेकंड ओपिनियंस लेकर। चेन्नई के डॉक्टर से बात करनी हो, एम्स के डॉक्टर से बात करनी हो, मुझे तू तुम करके वो बोलने लगे और बोलते बोलते फिर उन्होंने कहा कि मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ कि मैं तू तुम करके चिराग को मैं संबोधित कर रहा हूँ, बट मेरे लिए बेटे जैसा है, इसीलिए मैं इनके बारे में ऐसी बातें कर रहा हूँ।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also recounting moments from the Modi story, and he's lauding the Prime Minister's journey. Here's a special video message from the Home Minister celebrating Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 75th birthday.
मोदी जी का नेतृत्व संवेदनशील भी है, निर्णायक भी है और दृढ़। एक व्यक्ति अपने परिवार को भुलाकर 130 करोड़ लोगों को अपना परिवार मानकर जब जीवन का क्षण क्षण और शरीर का कण कण 130 करोड़ लोगों के कल्याण के लिए समर्पित कर सकता है, तभी मोदी नाम का व्यक्ति बनता है, तब तक नहीं बनता। और यह कि लौ की तरह जलना, हमेशा ऊर्ध्व गति से सोचना, परायों को अपना बनाकर उनका ही सोचना और उनके जीवन के लिए सर्वस्व न्यौछावर कर देना, मित्रों, ये संस्कार बहुत कम लोगों में होते हैं, जिसमें से एक व्यक्ति नरेंद्र मोदी है।
युवा अवस्था है, अपना परिवार छोड़कर, घर छोड़कर, खुद की हितों को छोड़कर देश की सेवा में लगे। लंबे समय तक आरएसएस का काम किया, फिर भारतीय जनता पार्टी में आए। वो पंचायत का भी चुनाव नहीं लड़े थे, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का काम करते थे, मुख्यमंत्री बने, सबसे सफल मुख्यमंत्री बने, सबसे सफल प्रधानमंत्री बने और लॉन्गेस्ट टर्म सर्विंग राज्य का नेतृत्व करने वाले नेता बने। सेल्फलेस आदमी है, बहुत अच्छे लिसनर है और परिवारवाद के जमाने में मैंने उनके परिवार को देखा है किस तरह से जी रहा है। इतने कड़े सार्वजनिक जीवन के नॉर्म्स अपने जीवन में पालन करना बहुत कठिन होता है और मैं मानता हूं इनका अपना कोई नहीं है, सभी इनके अपने हैं। ये थ्योरी से साथ अर्थ में जीना ये बहुत कठिन होता है। मैंने बहुत नजदीक से देखा है। हमारी पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी को 100% कमिटमेंट है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए 100% सम्मान है, कार्यकर्ताओं के प्रति जबरदस्त सम्मान और संवेदना है और पूरे देश को ही गरीबी मुक्त करने की हिम्मत के साथ वो काम में लगे हैं और देश की सुरक्षा को भी उन्होंने सुनिश्चित किया है। ढेर सारे काम ऐतिहासिक मोदी जी के समय में ही हुए, चाहे राम मंदिर बनाना हो, चाहे धारा 370 को हटाना हो, चाहे सीएए लाना हो, चाहे PA5 पर बैन लगाना हो, पाकिस्तान को मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना हो और 27 से ज्यादा देशों का सर्वोच्च नागरिक सम्मान भारत को दिलाना हो, ये सब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने 11 साल में किया है। मैं मानता हूं कि ये पूरे देश में आज इनकी जिस तरह से स्वीकृति है, ये आने वाले दिनों में राजनीति में काम करने वाले सभी युवाओं के लिए एक प्रेरणा स्रोत बनेंगे, करोड़ों भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए भी प्रेरणा स्रोत बनेंगे।
With that, it's time for us to take a short break. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with Times Now.